Is your camera stop responding? Let's fix it. First of all, click on Start button and tap Device Manager. After, we're gonna click on Open or just tap Enter. This is the list of all the drivers installed on this system. Integrated camera. We're gonna click on and right click on and click Update Driver and click on Browse My Computer for drivers and choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and click on Integrated Camera and click Next. Until the installation is done, we're gonna restart the computer. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. We're gonna click on Close and we're gonna click on Yes if we are ready to restart the computer, or click on No if we are not ready. Okay, thank you for watching me.